Today I'll be changing out the suction cup on my REDTIGER dash cam. I contacted REDTIGER regarding my suction cup stopped working, and they sent me some new things. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It came with a new suction cup, electrostatic stickers, and some other ring stickers as well. So join me as I change out this suction cup. So I actually installed this about a year ago. It's been about a year since I've had need to change out this suction cup on this dash camera. So all I have to do is push this out and then insert this one in. I'm just gonna start up my car to make sure it's actually working, to test it out before I install it here. And we are running. So I will go ahead and then finish with the installation. So I just took off the backing here, and I still have my electrostatic sticker here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lock it in place. Go ahead and rewire this how I want it. These wires poking out here, so I'm just gonna push them in. This is pretty easy to do without all my extra tools.
A few moments later.
Turn on my car again. We are back and running. And what I also did was got this adapter here. So since I only have this one cigarette lighter port, I also got this adapter. It comes with 2 cigarette lighter ports as well as 2 USB and a C port charger. You can also turn these off and on by the click of these buttons. And it also came with these fuels. It comes with 2 extras as well. All I do is click it in place in the cigarette lighter here, depending how I want it. If you're interested, I'll have both of these linked in the description box below. So I have the REDTIGER dash cam. It also comes with the backup camera back there. Thank you for watching. Until next time.